Hey guys, this is me 43's gameplays and more. Today I'm gonna get this. I made this custom YouTube play button that I made out of paper and cardboard, as you can know. I got the stuff. Basically, yes, I made this. I wish YouTube could actually do this. The play button for graphite, which is just 1 subscriber to 1,000 subscribers. The opal is 1,000 subscribers to 10,000 subscribers. The bronze award is for basically the bronze award is for 10,000 subscribers to 100,000. As you can see, yes, I actually use acrylic paint. I use a white crayon and some cardboard. As you can see, this is some of the cardboard that I cut out. But yeah, it's still in the process of drying the silver part. But yeah, to be honest, I tried my best, so it's okay. Thanks for passing 17 subscribers to my channel name, Koi3's Gameplays and more. But yeah, there it is. It looks nice. This,
It's a big thing, Michael Cole. You know what? I'm gonna send you Michael Cole on WhatsApp.
But yeah, I did some of the stuff today. So my next goal in my YouTube channel, trying to aim 100 subs. I'll make a version 2 of a graphite play button.